In this video, I want to show you a step-by-step process to buy the products in a wholesale and sell it onto eBay. This is going to be within £150 budget. As I always say, you don't need a lot of money to get started with a wholesale business model. And that's what exactly I say in my zero to full-time eBay selling course as well, that £250 is a good budget to start with. So I'm not going to talk about 250, we're going to talk about 150 to prove the point that you don't need a lot of money to get started. So by the end of the video, we're gonna find the product, we're gonna find the supplier, and I will show you each and everything right here on the screen. So let's get started. I'm going to use all the free tools. I'm not going to use any paid tools. You might not have access to that particular tool as well. So you can actually do this along with me without having to buy any kind of paid tools as well. So the one thing which I've been thinking of is to buy the cover for my key fob right here. So that's what we're going to look at. We're going to look at some nice leather cover which will cover this one and protect this one at the same time. So I'm a customer, I need to buy this. Let's get started with this one. So right here inside the eBay free search, I'm going to type the leather key fob for the Range Rover, and that's the product that we are looking for as a customer. So we come right here onto this search bar. What I'm trying to look at here is the price range. What is the price range for that particular item? So for example, this is the leather one, $10.99, $11.95, $12.99. And then obviously the other ones are right here. For example, this one is not the leather one as well. So we're gonna go for, let's say this one right here. This is $10.99, cheaper than each and everyone else. And this even look a little bit better, but we're gonna go for the cheaper one because a lot of people think the price is something which matters a lot, even though it is completely wrong. So what we're gonna do, open this listing and see how much of this product is actually selling on a regular basis. So we got a price with this particular item is actually $10.99. 220 of them already has been sold in this particular item as well. The other thing which I like to make sure at the same time is that this item is actually selling on a regular basis. So if you click on the quantity 220, it will show you the sales velocity and the frequency as well. So the last sale on this one was 28th of July. I'm recording this video on 29. You might be watching on 29 as well. So all the sale is actually recent, which is a really good sign that this product is still selling on a regular basis. So what we need to do, and that's what a lot of people get confused with, you don't always have to start from Alibaba. You can look at Wish, you can look at AliExpress. Of course, you don't have to deal with customs, all that kind of stuff. You're still gonna be paying VAT, which will be paid directly to the seller, and you're gonna get door-to-door delivery. So I'm gonna go to AliExpress and try to find if that product actually exists there. I'm right here. Luckily, I think that this product is actually the same product. You can see this is the one is being sold for £2.72. Of course, we need to include shipping, we need to include taxes, all that kind of stuff. First of all, let's make sure this is exactly the same product. So if we go right here, you can see the picture of this product. I think this is exactly the same item. There is no difference in this item and this particular item. Obviously, they have added the UK flag just to show that they are providing a faster delivery. So people who go on AliExpress, they know that like they're gonna have to wait along. But what we can do, we can order 50 of them. But of course, we need to count the cost, all that kind of stuff to know exactly how much profit we will be making as well. I'm actually gonna do this one. I'm gonna add into the cart to get the exact price for this particular item. So we know all the shipping, each and everything, all the taxes, all that kind of stuff as well. So I'm gonna click on buy now. So let's start with 50 of these items. I'm gonna put the quantity 50 and then put right here, and we will be spending 157.41, which is little bit over the budget, but still £150. 132 is the cost price. They applied a little bit discount. Even discount is not a lot. The shipping is, they are offering a free shipping, and it's included the tax. I mean, keep an eye right here, the tax is included. So we pay 157 to get door-to-door delivery. We're not paying anything extra. 157 for 50 of them. So we got 157 divided by 50 item that we are going to buy. So the one item is going to cost us £3.14. And if we look on eBay, this particular item is being sold for $10.99. Of course, we need to pay fee to eBay, all that kind of stuff. So let's calculate the unit profit at the same time. Item selling price is $10.99, and then the shipping charge, we're gonna offer free shipping because this customer is also offering a free shipping as well. By the way, I'm using eBay and PayPal fee calculator. You can Google it. This is absolutely free, doesn't cost you anything as well. And then shipping cost, this is not really a big item, so it's gonna go in a large letter. And if I look over to Royal Mail to send a large letter in a second class, it's gonna actually cost me £1.05. Don't forget, we need to include the cost of envelope as well because those things are not cheap. So I'm gonna put £1.15 just to cover the cost of envelope. And then the price for the item, which is going to be, we calculated right here, £3.14. So I'm gonna include £3.14, and after that we are making £4.99 profit. So it's gonna pay us £250 profit from 50 items, and we are spending only 157. So on my website, I'm gonna leave the link for that inside the description. I mean, you should check it out. When I say, actually, we have tons of testimonials from the people who actually leave the comments on the YouTube as well. When I say that £250 is a good budget to get started with, I mean, you can start less than that. But for example, if you are somebody who are not willing to do the posting, all that kind of stuff as well, you can actually do with the drop shipping or retail arbitrage. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna link one video right here, and it will exactly show you an account which is getting started from a retail arbitrage, and they're making around £3,000 per month as well. Make sure you check this out right here. It's gonna pop up right here.